Today I'm going to introduce you to the benefits of using Microsoft Sway as a presentation tool in your classroom. I'm really looking forward to this year trying out Microsoft Sway with my juniors with their church history projects that they do during the second half of the school year. So let me just walk you through some of the features of Microsoft Sway, show you how it's like a PowerPoint, how it's like a Prezi, how it's like some of the things that you've used before, but also how it can make things a lot easier for you and make things a lot easier for your students. So once you go to your Sway homepage, it gives you some options. You can create a new sway. And again, a sway is a presentation in a way, but I'll show you how it is very different. You can start from a document. And what that means is you can upload a PowerPoint or you can upload a PDF file, which then can be translated into a Microsoft Sway that you would then build off of. One of the coolest things is starting from a topic. So let's say you have a student who's doing a project but they don't know how to get started. Well, Microsoft Sway actually helps them out. So what you do is you start from a topic, and let's say, for instance, I want to start from the uh, Avignon papacy. It'll search for it, and then what it will do is actually build a basic outline which it references for you. It gets you information, it gets you photographs that are Creative Commons that you can then build from. Photos down here of the popes during the Avignon papacy. And then at the very end, it's got all of your references for things that it's already pulled. So it's giving you a basic outline of what you need even before you really get started. And that can be great for the students because they don't have to create anything from scratch. However, because Sway allows them to alter stuff, the only thing that is stopping them is their imagination. Right? The only thing that's stopping them from changing things around, moving things, the only thing that's stopping them from adding things or moving things around is their own imagination. They can delete things, they can add stuff. One of my favorite things, let's say I'm going to talk about the Avignon popes. It gives you the opportunity to search for photos and video and even tweets about your topic, which you can then embed in very easily. So, for instance, let's say I wanted to add a background image here for the Avignon popes. I would click on Flickr and I wanted to search for Catherine of Siena. It was an important saint during the time of the Avignon papacy. All of the images that are tagged come from Creative Commons on Flickr, which means that you can use them with attribution. So the students or teachers can know that they can use images or video or other things that are allowable in their presentation without the risk of copyright infringement, as long as is the case with Creative Commons, they are providing an attribution and a location from where they receive the material. So let's say, for instance, I want to use this photo here. I simply drag it into the background. It then puts it in automatically. And its whole job is to make it visually appealing. So let's say I want to draw attention to a particular thing in the photo. You click on it, and you can see here on iPads or devices, The image, which would usually be different than what it is on a desktop or presentation or a mobile device, it's going to focus on the focal point that you want. So it's another way for you to direct the eyes of your audience and not have it be changed based on the device that a student or faculty member, whatever the case may be, is using. This was just to introduce you to Sway. It's something that I'm really looking forward to using with my students, especially my juniors, later on the year when they do the church history projects. I think it'll be an interesting way of presenting the material that gives them an opportunity to create something that they're familiar with from PowerPoint and whatnot, uh, but gives them an opportunity to put things in a lot easier than they would on a PowerPoint or on a Prezi. I find this to be much more intuitive. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions about Microsoft Sway, please ask me. Thanks for watching.